So as you can see, we are all done. We're just adding in a little bit of water. Oh, careful. Sorry, okay? Okay. Just pour it all over, and you can see how it's swelling up. It makes really good sense, because you can actually shave off what you need and dry. And then, well, because I'm going to put quite a lot of stuff, I am going to need this. This costs about £9, so obviously compared to the other soils that you can get, this is more on the expensive side. So I thought I would use this and see what it's like, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
Okay. Right there.
I should stay right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I doing a good job?
Yes.
Should I turn it like this?
See.
I should turn it like this.
Wait. That's for you.
Okay, that's for me. Okay.
That's fine.
Thank you. So we turn it over, so you can see that it's all risen nicely. Now I'm wondering whether I should leave it in here. I might leave it overnight in here. I just hope nothing comes to disturb it. Yeah, should we put it in a bag? A big bag? Or just leave it here? I think we'll just leave it here. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So.
That's the.
Okay, thank you. So this will be end of this video. So we're done with doing that, and then the next stage is going to be this, so planting this. So stick out and watch out for this. When we start planting, I'll show you what I'm going to plant, what vegetables, what fruits I'm going to plant, and the kind of pots and things I'm probably going to use in the next video. So obviously this is going to take a while. This is a couple of months, you know, taking time to do all this. So guys, thank you. Like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate you. Please, if you know anything about gardening, just comment, tell me a lot more about the coconut husk and things, and tell me what you know, how it works and all that. It's quite new to me, but I just thought I would share. I love gardening. I really enjoy it, and I'm sure there are tons and tons of people who really enjoy that. So just hit me up and turn on the notification button if you haven't, please, and do like, share, subscribe again, please, guys. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. Thank you. Until then, bye.